Good morning or afternoon, boys and girls. I really missed our meeting this morning. I'm really sorry. I have a doctor's appointment I have to go to. So I just wanted to let you know what to do today, just so you weren't confused on this fabulous Friday. I really enjoyed testing you this week and talking with you more. I really hope that you got something out of it as well, so you know how you are as a reader. We'll do another test next week to test comprehension. So I will give you instructions on how to do that later next week, or at the beginning of next week, so you know. So next week will look a little bit more normal as far as what the year is going to look like. So look forward to that. But we will start off on Monday at 8:15 again, meeting and talking about our day. So with that, let me talk to you about what to do for today. So if I go into our stream, you will see this video right here. I'm doing it now, so it's not there. But if you look at Fantastic or Fabulous, whatever you want to call it, Friday, you'll see a list of 5 things. The first one is to read a book, an actual book in your hand, or if you prefer epic books, read an epic book. There's some really good ones out there. Just dig through the website and you'll find some great ones. And then writing, work on that All About Me, try to get that finished. And math, the splash learn, I hope you're understanding that okay. I'm going to reflect that on my screen so you can see it. This is the teacher page, just so I can see how you did. And these colors kind of tell me how you did too. If I were to click on this, I could see each student and how they did. As you can see, 13 out of 21 have not completed that assignment, or excuse me, have completed that assignment. So that means 8 of you have not. So try to do that one and then move over to this one. So this says without regrouping. This is with regrouping, which means to borrow and to carry. So you'll try adding and subtracting with regrouping. So that will be on Splash Learn, and you can click on that anytime during the weekend if you want to work on that a little bit then as well. And then, as you can see, I posted some specials. So we're going to scroll down here to the topic that says specials. So Mrs. Sainamont has posted something for STEAM, as you can see, from Mrs. Heckman for art and Mrs. Momberg for gym. So there's a video with those. You pick one for this Friday. If you want to pick more than one, that's absolutely fine too. But pick at least one of those specials to click on for today and to look at and try to do. And then number 5, I've noticed I don't have everyone's work, so I'm giving you a little chance this Friday, today, to finish your work and just make sure that you did it all. So let me show you how to check that. So if I were to log in as a student, again, going over here to the right side, my computer's been extremely slow lately, so there we go. So if I were to go over here to the right side and going to check in as, let's say, Janessa. So I'm going to check Janessa, and I click on the waffles and classroom, like I always do. And let me just show you in the student version. Now, whoops-a-daisy. But anyway, I can look over here to my left and see what's due tomorrow, what's due, I just said by Sunday to do that Splash Learn. And then I can go to classwork as Janessa. You all have this option as well. If you look up at View Your Work and click on that, you can see Janessa has done all these assignments. And then she can quickly check as well, whoops, I need to click on that one and do that one still. So it's a really awesome way to see what you have done and what you might not have done. So that's, I'd really recommend you doing that so you can check off in your mind, yes, I have done everything. And then you can also check there to see if Mrs. Kodish left you any, I think that's the place, I'm sorry, I think that's the place to look for comments about that assignment from me. Okay, so going back to Mrs. Kodish's page, so that's kind of going to make your fabulous Friday and to start you off on the weekend. And then expect a pretty busy Monday. Okay, we're going to get into the routine and get together to learn some reading streets and do a little bit more of a lesson for math and just really get rolling with our learning. So be ready and prepared with your quiet space and headphones if you need headphones. Bring those to the meetings and the learning so you can drown out all the rest of the outside noise. And have supplies next to you at all times, like whiteboards, paper, whiteboard markers. Your computer is charged and ready to go, and you've already eaten breakfast and had a drink, so we don't have to be eating. I don't mind the drinking so much, but sorry, I pointed at my cup. I don't mind the drinking so much, just the eating is kind of hard to watch because oftentimes I see what you're eating and I don't prefer that. So anyway, try to eat before that and just be ready at 8:15 on Monday, and we'll play another game as well. And you've already earned, if you can see from this jar, you've already earned all these tickets from awesome meetings to start this year. Okay, so when we get more tickets, we'll have a dance break and things like that. So you're well on your way. You're doing an awesome job. So congratulations on another week finished. You are a hero. You are awesome. You are powerful. You are worthy. You are the best third grader that you can be. So have a good weekend, friends. Bye-bye. No, really, bye-bye.